This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Today we're going to do a little small appliance repair on an iron. This is a Black & Decker iron. It's done really well through the years, but you have to get the cord in the right position for it to stay hot. So oftentimes a cord that is bent back and forth over the years will get an internal break in the wire. So we're going to see if we can find it. So we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver and undo this panel on the back. So in Black & Decker's infinite wisdom, they decided to use a security type of a screw here instead of a Phillips head. And you need to get one of these security screw sets. You can get it at a hardware store. They have special bits that are a little bit unusual. It's kind of like a Phillips head, but it's at a funny angle. So let's see if we can get this off. There we go. Okay, get this panel off. So we're going to use a standard head screwdriver to just pry this off. Get this thing opened up. Pull that out, and that's where the power line comes in, and it's probably an internal break in the wire right here. So we're going to undo these two screws, which I think are just Phillips head. If this video is helping you, please consider pressing down in the lower right hand corner of your screen the subscribe button, and that really helps our channel. Thanks for watching. Undo these two screws. Yeah, these are just Phillips head, regular. That one out, this one. There we go. So put that off to the side. This one out. There we go. And then should be able to pull this down, I think. Yeah, that's just kind of, that was just holding those wires in position. Now we should be able to slide this out and we can repair that wire. So effectively we'll be making this just shorter, because I think the break's going to be right in here. But we can test it with our multi-tester. I'm going to pull this sheathing off. I don't think it goes this way. Maybe it goes that way. Let's see. Yeah, you can just pull it up the cord a little bit. So if you look at it, there's a bend in it, right there. That's probably where the break is. So if we shorten this cord and make this the new end, I think that's going to do the trick. So if we do a continuity check right now, okay, got that going, and we're going to grab our cord. Going to lock in on one of these, and then we're going to test the other side down here. One of these should chirp. Yeah, it says nothing. So we know that this this wire is broken. Let's try this one. Okay, so we know this wire goes to that, this wire goes to that, but this wire is broken. And most likely it's broken right there where that junction is. So we're just going to shorten this up, but we're going to lose about maybe 8 to 10 inches. Cut right here. Again, that's where the damage is. And we're going to strip these back now to create the new the new place where we hook up the power. So we'll just put this on. There we go. There's one. 2. Got it. I'm going to twist that more. All right. Before we do that, we'll just confirm that the continuity is good. So we're going to do ohms, and we should want to do the one where we can hear it for continuity. So we touch these. It's good. Okay, so we're going to go for this one. We should hear a chirp. Okay, that one's good. So now we're going to try this one. This should be this wire. Yeah, so we have good continuity. That did the trick. So we're just going to put it all back together now. Okay. Need that screw back in there to hold the wire. Halfway to the other one. Okay, that's good. So we are bending these a little bit so they can get in behind the screw. We'll tighten the screw down. Tighten that up. The hook goes that way, so as I tighten it, it'll engage that hook slowly. Nice. Okay, then we got the other one. We do the same thing. We've got a hook. Get behind it. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and slowly tighten that one. Good, nice and snug. All right, we're going to get this thing in position. That's kind of how it was last time. What came off. This piece in. Just going to slide this up. All right, we're just going to get this thing down in here. Slide it back in. Helps to take up some of the slack. This thing pushed up in there. We'll put this back on. So this has to go up in there first. That I'm just gonna kind of bend this one. It's plastic. Get it to go back behind there. That's back in there. Okay, I'll put the screw back in. Use that special security bit to tighten that one. Okay, tighten that up. Okay, very good. We're just going to polish up this area too. This sometimes gets kind of messed up things get cooked on there. So we're going to polish that up and it should work fine. And just polish off this stuff.
Watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions. And also, if you need to have a FaceTime meeting with me or a Zoom meeting, you can click on one of the links below in the description, and we can set up a 15-minute or 30-minute video conference where we can work on your appliance problem. So thanks again for all your support and for watching the video.